Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring both devices can talk to each other. Power on the Samsung TV, update firmware, and place it on the same Wi-Fi as your phone or laptop. On the TV, open screen mirroring in settings or press source, then screen mirroring to make the TV discoverable. Once done, unlock your mobile device, open Smart View Android or screen mirroring /AirPlay, iPhone with compatible Samsung models, and scan for the TV. This step makes the TV visible, so you can select it next. Now you initiate the link from your device. On Android, pull down Quick Settings, tap Smart View, and pick the TV. On Windows, use Action Center Project, connect to a wireless display and choose the Samsung. On iPhone, open Control Center screen mirroring and select the TV if supported. Make sure to accept any pairing prompt that appears on the TV. This confirms the connection and authorizes streaming. If you need better performance, reduce distance and avoid heavy network use while mirroring. To finish, adjust resolution and orientation on your source so content fits the Samsung screen. Some apps also offer cast quality settings. When done, stop mirroring from Smart View, screen mirroring, or project to free network resources. If the connection drops, lag appears, or the TV isn't found, reboot the router, TV, and device in that order. Make sure mobile data is off, and if possible, switch the TV to a wired Ethernet or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.